Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how you can install Windows 11 on an Oracle VM VirtualBox machine. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article we link in the description. Let's start with downloading the official 11 ISO from Microsoft. We have a link in the article. Select the edition, Windows 11, Once that's downloaded, open VirtualBox. You'll need to create a new virtual machine. Click on New. Give it a name. Make sure that you have the right operating system version, Windows 11 64-bit. Click Next. For the memory size, it will have to be 4,000 megabytes or more. Click Next. Select Create a Virtual Disk Now. Select VDI and dynamically allocate it. Give it some hard disk space using the slider and then click Create. You'll see the newly created VM on the left. You're now ready to boot from the Windows 11 ISO. Click Start. When prompted, click on the folder icon and navigate to where you stored the ISO and select it. Select the language to install, the time and currency format, and the keyboard method. Click on Next. Then click on Install Now. If you have a product key to enter, do so. Otherwise, click I don't have a product key. Then select the version that you want to install. I'm going to go with the Pro version. Here it is possible for you to receive the error message that your system does not meet the minimum requirements. What you'll do here is press Shift and F10 to open the command prompt. Type in REGEDIT to open the registry editor. Then go to H key, local machine, System, Setup. On Setup, right-click on Setup to create a new key. Call it LABCONFIG. Hit Enter. Then, in the right pane, you'll have to create 4 new D words, and each one will have a value of 1. The first one, we'll call it Bypass TPM Check. The second one, Bypass CPU Check. The third one, Bypass RAM Check. And the last one, Bypass Secure Boot Check. Then close the registry, close the command prompt, close the wizard. Click on Install Now. Once again, I don't have a product key. The version that you're going to install. Accept the license. Click Custom Install Windows Only. Click on Next. If, once your system is activated, you want to insert the guest additions CD image, go to Devices, click on Insert, then go to this PC, CD drive Virtual Guest Box Editions, double click, then follow the on-screen prompts to install it, and choose the Reboot Now option. We also did a video on how to make your virtual machine full screen, and we'll include a link to that video in the description. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.